Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the Managed Services Staff Augmentation model. Step 1. Decide which services you need managed. It could be IT, HR, or customer service. Step 2. Pick a provider with the right expertise. Check their reviews and case studies. Step 3. Define your service agreements. Set standards for response times and quality. Step 4. Review performance regularly. Hold meetings to see how things are going and make adjustments if needed. And that's it. Follow these steps to make the most of the Managed Services model. Ready to start with Staff Augmentation? Explore our services today.